Heat goes through solid by.
Clear logic. Your choice conduction is sound and 100% true.
We use it to make flooring. Nicely done. Oak is a solid answer. Natural building material. Smart pick. Rocks is the correct choice. Fiberboard is in polish. Good job. Your answer fiberboard works well here. Stems of trees are called.
Well reasoned. Trunks is the correct choice.
What is a metamorphic rock? Bravo! Marble is the answer. Granite is an example for. Nice work. You chose igneous rock and it is correct. Jumper is a tool used for. Good thinking. Quarrying of stones is the right answer. A natural cement was dash. Right again. Found by the Romans is a valid answer. Smooth block stands for dash. You chose concrete masonry unit, and it is correct. Light framing lumber is valid point. Dimension lumber is true. To become hard and solid. You got it. Your choice set is right. What is an igneous rock? Well picked. Basalt is the correct answer. Good quality stones must. Excellent. All the above is a brilliant choice. How do you say ladrillo? Great job. Brick is the accurate answer. Which material is hard? Exactly. All of the above makes sense, and it is right choice. Concrete is made out of? Perfect. Cement and aggregate is the correct choice. What is cob made from? Right choice. Sand, clay, and straw is the best answer. Askew is a related with. Well done. Preservation of timber is the right choice. A sloping way or plane? Solid response. Ramp is a valid choice. End support of an arch. Correct response. Abutment is the most accurate answer. How do you say cemento? Sharp thinking. Cement is the right choice. What does hinges mean? Smart move. Hinges is an accurate answer. Stairs must have dash. Excellent choice. Rails is the right answer. A range of dash sizes. You're right. Standard is the correct answer. Central core of a log. Strong choice. Hardwood is the right answer. Tools used by a mason? Correct. Both is the right answer. How do you say Madara? Great thinking. Wood is the right choice. A gap in a substance. On track, void is the correct answer. Dog-legged stairs are. Nice selection. Half-turn stairs is the correct and valid answer. How do you say Teja? Good thinking. Roof tile is the right answer. How do you say Lodo? Great job. Mud is the accurate answer. Vec stands for dash. Clear logic. Your choice vinyl composition tile is sound and 100% true. Structural material? Solid response. Building material is a valid choice. Reinforced concrete. You chose reinforced concrete, and it is correct. Mechanical strength. Perfect. Mechanical strength is the correct choice. Bearing structures. You're right. Carrying structures is the correct answer. What is this bond? Right choice. English bond is the best answer. Gypsum consists of. Right again. Queso 4 and 12 is a valid answer. Formix consists of. Great thinking. One part of cement is the right choice. To become smaller. Smart pick. Shrink is the correct choice. What is mycelium? Nice work. You chose the roots of mushrooms, and it is correct. Frost resistance. Well picked. Frost resistance is the correct answer. Sound insulation? Exactly. Soundproofing makes sense, and it is right choice. French polishes. Well done. Spirit varnish is the right choice. SMOO stands for. Well reasoned. Concrete masonry unit is the correct choice. What is flume? You got it. Your choice inner bark is right. Hardboard too. Excellent choice. Hard fiberboard is the right answer. Heat insulation? Correct. Thermal insulation is the right answer. What is xylem? Correct response. Sapwood is the most accurate answer. Lumber is dash. Strong choice. Wood is the right answer. Quartz is a valid point. Silicious rock is true. Bending trees. Good job. Your answer bending stress works well here. What is this? On track. Checker brick is the correct answer. Clay products. Sharp thinking. Clay products is the right choice. Crushed stone. Smart move. Crushed stone is an accurate answer. Chimney brick. Nice selection. Radial brick is the correct and valid answer. Made to dash. Nicely done. Order is a solid answer. Gypsum is a. Bravo. Chemically precipitated sedimentary rock is the answer. I was. Excellent. Concrete preservation process is a brilliant choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Good thinking. Contact Narayan Changder is the right answer.